Hey folks, here are OS Reviews. You're watching our video first look and a brief overview of the UNU Aero. This is a series of power banks / wireless chargers that the company is rolling out for the iPhone. This is the iPhone 6 and 6S variant. There's another one for the iPhone 5, 5S, SE that is compatible with and sells for slightly less. Otherwise, I think that the Aero series does face some pretty stiff competition from existing power bank cases on the market, which are significantly cheaper. This one sells for $110 through the company's website, but it is slightly more advanced and has a slightly better construction quality going on. The main emphasis here is also that wireless charging component. It uses actually a proprietary charging mat, which they also separately sell for $25. It uses metal contacts and pins which are magnetic that sucks on onto here and wirelessly charges your product if you don't want to use micro USB to charge the power bank case, which has a standard 3000 milliamp hours capacity that allows you to charge your iPhone 125% more power on the go, but also adds a fair amount of bulk as well. The company itself, UNU, is pretty innovative. They also have other products such as power banks. There's an Ultra Pack Go series, which is most notable for charging up in under 15 minutes, which is extremely impressive and may just be a solution for one of the biggest issues in cellular communications right now, which is the battery running out after each day, and you have to recharge it and it takes too long. So they have some other products coming out which seem quite interesting. This particular variant here, the pack that you see in front of you includes the case, a user manual, micro USB cable. There is a 3.5mm cable as well included. That's just because when your iPhone is slid into place, it's kind of recessed, so you need to use this adapter to plug in a pair of headphones. There's also the aforementioned charging mat and some instruction manuals documented in full colors, as well as a warranty guide. So taking a quick look into some more of the specifications of this unit, it will fully charge your device, I would say, in your iPhone 6S in about 3 hours or so using this wireless charging mat. The charging mat still takes a bit longer than using a standard micro USB cable. That charges up the case itself in under 2 hours, which is pretty impressive. And it does significantly increase the battery life of your phone. So if you are a constant road warrior, this is a good solution to consider. There's no orientation, just pop it onto here and you're good to go. Otherwise, it comes in just this two colors. There's a black version that you see here. It also comes in a white version. You can also sync information with the case. So the micro USB output works with syncing with a computer or Mac or PC as well. And it's made out of the soft touch rubber material, which prevents any fingerprints and also creates a tighter grip for your product. There's also a lipped design along the sides, which is semi-rugged, so that when you place your phone face down, it doesn't scratch the surface of the glass or anything. Same thing goes with the camera grill. So taking a closer look now at the design, bottom here features an LED indicator that tells you how much battery is remaining, and that is green, so it's showing you that the battery is now full. It will change color to indicate otherwise, perhaps red, when the charge is getting very low. The key here is a little bit stiff to press. It's not too tactile, but not too bad either. These two pins are where the magnetic charging will occur. Some basic info. It uses the conductive technology, but I'm pretty sure this is a proprietary tech. It's not using the standard Qi or QI, which seems to be a bit cheaper to manufacture, and that might be one of the concerns here, is that you're tied down to this specific ecosystem that might be a bit more costly, but also easy because of the magnetic connector. Is more secure. There's dedicated cutouts for the volume rockers, for the lock switch. You can see the camera grill there, power on-off switch, and the phone, it just slides in. It's a rubber bumper, so it has a slightly malleable finish, absorbs a bit of shock in case you accidentally drop it, and the lightning pin adapter down below there. And here is the two slots for the 3.5mm jack and the aforementioned micro USB cable for the cutout. Taking a look at the charging mat, again, it sells separately for $30. It's a little expensive for a mainly plastic construction. There's rubber feet to prevent the unit from sliding, and another micro USB cable lead on one side to charge or provide power for the charging mat. The surface, it's made out of aluminum, but a very thin aluminum, and it does attract fingerprints as well as scratches. So it does seem to accumulate some wear and tear quite easily, especially as you constantly pop your case down with the contact leads. It might scratch it even more. So perhaps durability is something the company could work on with the charging mat in the future. But as you can see, you can just pop this on and it automatically aligns, stays in place quite well, doesn't seem to want to really fall out or move out. There's a bit of resistance and a tug there. And next we're going to give a quick demo, I guess, of how this looks when it's plugged into power. I have just a power bank. I'm going to try plugging this into the charging mat. And if I pop this on here, you can see that charging has started. It's going to flash green. That means we have power going through. And it's not too sensitive. You can just pop it anywhere there. You can slide it around. It still works. The surface is quite large. When it's done, it's going to stop flashing. And that takes, again, roughly 3 hours to complete with the wireless charging mat part. It takes faster with the micro USB. So at this point, I would say that this is an interesting and compelling concept because it's a cohesive ecosystem. So it's been backed now also by a relatively good company. I think they have a good warranty system, but it is significantly more expensive than just a generic power bank case or using a Qi standard power bank adapter, which you can probably pick up on eBay for 15 bucks max. So this is everything has been planned out and thought out, but you do have to pay more of a premium. To check out more information about this, you can check out our article, and our review with more details is coming out soon. This is just a video first look, but thanks for watching this video here at OS Reviews.